back in the response fund. That was like 3 weeks ago. Did everybody hear what the county commissioners did? Okay, well put a note on, because if your basement fills up, that's one place to go, and they can't say, we don't got no money. But we can't jump up and down with joy yet, with victory, because we don't know what Metropolitan Sewer District is going to do with the money. And we don't know if it's enough. So we still have to keep fighting to build that program to help more homeowners. And we're paying for that. In the last 10 years, our bill has gone up 173%. And that's from the county. The city, who's hiding behind the doors, has raised our water bill 3.5% for this year, 3.5% for next year. If we can't afford it now, the city will. All right? So we got to fight on both ends to get our bills lower and make it affordable for us to pay. But you know who can afford a sewer bill? Who can afford a sewer bill? The company that rules here. They don't pay. Will you chant with me?
Yes!
Low rates.
Low rates!
Local jobs.
Local jobs!
MSD.
MSD!
We're your boss.
We're your boss!
Fine overflow. Now they're getting ready for phase 2, and they tell us it costs ratepayers. Ratepayers is all of us. $3.2 billion, not million, $billion. But nobody knows what's in the plan for phase 2. They won't show it to us. We the people need green infrastructure to make our sewer bill more and to create good local jobs. Is MSD doing that? We don't know, but we need to see that plan. Chant, show us the plan.
Show us the plan!
Show us the plan.
Show us the plan!
Thank you. Now we need you to put some literature on
I
it.
tried to say.
And now I would like to hand the
I
mic
miss you
to
guys.
Mr. Roy.
I miss you all. I love you folks.
We
Oh,
sent this to you.
I didn't have a chance. I'm busy. I'm an organizer too here. Where are you going to be? I'll try to join you in a little while.
Oh, we're going to get on the heat. She's not doing.
These are
not
two of the
feeling
greatest people in the world.
Oh my
I'm
God.
going to miss you in college. I miss you. Do you want me to
Play
ask
there. No, I'm going to Alabama.
It could be something else what you hear.
When are you leaving?
Thank you very much. That means
I'll get
everyone
spit. Is this just a photo or
I'm
like
Roy
a?
Davis. I'm South Cummingville. I'm involved in the organization.
You guys did good job. What do you guys want to say? All right, so nice and loud.
I'm proud to be a veteran
Ready,
myself.
go.
Unite for climate change.
And I came home and now
Okay,
what?
so one more time.
I'm
Unite for
dying
climate change in
slowly.
Ohio.
Unite against climate
Revolution of
change,
the
not
air.
for climate change.
Unite.
Some of my comrades
Unite
died in
against
war.
climate
I come
change.
here
Okay, that's
to
good. That's good.
They ain't right.
Unite against climate
against
change.
climate change.
We got to do it again.
We need to make them pay for it.
Unite. Oh,
There's gonna be outtakes.
Unite against
All
climate
those
change.
people
Is
that
that what we're
destroying
saying?
our land, our water,
Ready,
to pay
ready,
for it.
go.
Unite against climate change.
Okay, ready,
Gas,
set, go.
nuclear,
Unite for climate change.
One more time.
And all
Unite for climate change
create
is
jobs for green,
Ohio.
create good quality jobs in the neighborhood.
Unite for climate change. Cincinnati, Ohio. Come join us.
Come join.
Join together.
Folks are aware that through our energy aggregation program, we are able to provide you 100% green electricity. A couple. We need to get this word out. Duke still provides our electricity, they own the wires, but we are able to purchase energy from green sources, carbonless sources. So, if you're not sure, you can go home, check your Duke bill. If it says your electricity is from Dynergy, that means you are purchasing green electricity with the city of Cincinnati. And it's 10% cheaper on average than what you would normally pay from Duke. Thank you. We are able to do that through our energy aggregation program. So if you do not live in the city of Cincinnati, this is something to inquire about with your representatives. Are you in an energy aggregation program? Is there opportunity to take that program to green energy? Secondly, this March, Cincinnati became one of the first major cities to offer curbside textile recycling to our city residents. So right now we estimate 85% of our old clothes go to the landfill. The majority of men in America, if their shirt loses a button, they won't wear it again. There are plenty of places in the world who would be happy to use those garments. So this is the fastest growing sector of our waste stream. Please take your orange simple recycling bag that you've received at your home. Anything you're not using anymore, be sure it goes in that bag and not in your garbage can. Help us reduce the waste to landfill. Third program I want to mention is our Solarize program. You probably are aware the price of solar is rapidly decreasing. It's come down 75% in the last 10 years. We've been able to bulk buy solar. So if you live in the greater Cincinnati region, you are eligible for a reduced price, 30% off the price of solar for your home. That's before a 30% federal tax incentive, right? So this is nearly 60% off solar installation on your home. It's a free assessment. All you have to do is sign up, click a button, we'll come, look at your roof, give you all the pricing, tell you how much energy you can produce, give you an idea of what your return on investment looks like. So the first step is easy. Just ask them to look at your roof.
Who am I addressing it to?
Your representative.
The Senate or the House or? Well, I think I can grab it.
A whole lot of people.
You want to say something? You want to say something really quick? Make the planet great.
It's time to make the planet great.
We got shout out. We join with the earth and with each other. You guys ready? Ready? Go.
We join with the earth and with each other.
It's gotta be all you gotta do. It's gotta be a boy loud. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
We join with the earth and with each other.